Hi guys, welcome to Tech Fury. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the newest feature of Windows 11, which is the new gallery section, and I'm going to show you how to get it in this video. If you go into your about section, you can see my OS build is 25272, which is the newest build of Windows 11 right now. It's a first build into 2023, and if you have this build and you are in the insider program of dev channel, you can get this feature. It's not released to dev right now. That's why I'm going to show you how to get this feature on your machine. Okay, first of all, what you need to do is go to this site. I will put this link in the description below so you can go there and download this application. So I'm gonna go to here and click the zip file, and it's downloaded. I'm gonna go to downloads folder, right click it, go to extract all. Now click on browse. You have to select Windows 32, sorry, system 32 folder. So I'm gonna go to this PC, go to C drive, go to Windows, then search for system 32 folder. This is the folder. Select it, select the folder. This is the path it should be. So C Windows system 32 folder, click on extract. I have already done it. That's why it's asking for me to replace files. So I'm going to click replace files. Do it to all items, continue. Okay, it has been finished. Now let's close all the windows. Let's go to command prompt by go to Windows and type cmd, then right click on the command prompt and click run as administrator. Click yes. Now you have to copy and paste this command. So I'm going to paste this command. Sorry, this is not the command. Okay, this is the command, and it's called vivetool enable 4104037. You can type it as well. I will put this command also in the description below, so you can just copy there and paste it here and press enter. As you can see, it says successfully set feature configuration. I'm going to close this window. Now what you need to do is restart your machine and see whether this feature is enabled or not. So I'm going to go to here and click restart. Okay, machine is restarted now. Let's go to File Explorer. As you can see, there's a new tab called Gallery. So if I go there, it will show me this picture section. This feature is still in development. Maybe they will add, like, if you go to gallery, it will show all the photos in your machine. So I think that's a really good feature because it's easier to find pictures in your machine. So I think that's what they are doing. I don't know yet, but we'll see what they are working on and what features they might put in the feature. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video helpful to find out how to get this gallery feature in your Windows 11 PC. If that's the case, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time with another video like this. Bye bye.